Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the human body. Our bodies are incredible machines. They are designed to keep us going no matter what life throws at us. They have an amazing ability to heal themselves. This self-repair mechanism is one of the most fascinating aspects of human biology. From minor cuts to broken bones, our bodies can repair and rebuild. The process is intricate and involves various stages, each crucial for complete recovery. This healing process is happening all the time, even when we don't realize it. Whether we're walking, running, or even sleeping, our bodies are constantly at work. It's a complex system that involves many different parts of our body working together. Cells, tissues, and organs all play a role in this remarkable process. Understanding how our bodies heal can help us stay healthy and recover from injuries. Knowledge about this process empowers us to take better care of ourselves. Think of a time you got a cut. It might have seemed like a small injury, but your body immediately sprang into action. It might have bled for a bit, but then something amazing happened. Your body started to heal the wound, forming a scab to protect it. Your body started to heal the wound all on its own. New skin began to form, and eventually the wound closed up completely. This self-healing power is something we often take for granted, but it's truly remarkable. It's a testament to the resilience and efficiency of the human body. In the following sections, we'll explore how our bodies mend different types of injuries. From the smallest cuts to the most severe breaks, our bodies are equipped to handle it all. Our skin is the first line of defense against the outside world. It acts as a barrier, protecting us from harmful elements like bacteria, viruses, and physical injuries. Without it, our bodies would be vulnerable to countless threats. When you get a cut, your body jumps into action to fix it. This process is both rapid and intricate, involving multiple steps to ensure the wound heals properly. First, blood clots form to stop the bleeding. These clots act as a temporary barrier, preventing further blood loss and blocking harmful pathogens from entering the wound. This forms a protective scab over the wound. The scab is like nature's bandage, shielding the area as it begins to heal. Underneath the scab, amazing things are happening. The body is hard at work, repairing the damaged tissue and fighting off any potential infections. Special cells called fibroblasts create new tissue. These cells are essential for rebuilding the skin's structure and ensuring the wound heals correctly. The new skin cells grow and divide, slowly closing the wound from the inside out. This process can take days to weeks depending on the severity of the injury. Eventually, the scab falls off, revealing healed skin. The new skin may look slightly different at first, but over time it will blend in with the surrounding area. It's like magic, but it's just your body's natural healing power at work. This incredible process is a testament to the resilience and efficiency of the human body. Breaking a bone sounds scary and it can be painful, but our bones are remarkably good at healing. When you fracture a bone, your body starts a process called bone remodeling. This process involves special cells called osteoclasts and osteoblasts. Osteoclasts are like tiny demolition crews. They break down the damaged bone fragments. Osteoblasts are the builders. They use calcium and other minerals to create new bone tissue. Over time, the new bone grows stronger, bridging the gap in the fracture. Our muscles are constantly working, whether we're running a marathon, lifting weights, or just going about our daily activities. Even simple actions like walking can cause tiny tears in our muscle fibers. These micro tears might sound alarming, but they're actually a crucial part of the muscle building process. When we exercise, especially during intense workouts, these micro tears occur more frequently. But don't worry, this is a normal part of exercise. Our bodies are designed to repair these micro tears and make our muscles stronger. After a workout, your body uses protein to repair the damaged muscle fibers. Consuming protein-rich foods or supplements can aid in this recovery process. This process is called protein synthesis. During protein synthesis, the body rebuilds the muscle fibers, making them more resilient. As the muscle fibers are repaired, they grow back thicker and stronger. This adaptation helps us handle more physical stress in the future. This is how we build muscle and increase our strength over time. By consistently challenging our muscles and allowing them to recover, we can achieve greater levels of fitness and strength. If you enjoyed this scientific journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing content.